So you guys ever do one of those projects that just kind of snowballs into one huge problem, I guess you could say, maybe? Anyway, this is one of those. You guys have seen videos on my old Suzuki 230 four-wheeler. Well, this is my old Suzuki Quadrunner LT125. I don't know what year it is. The very newest, 1987, the very oldest, 1983. So, somewhere between an 83 and an 87 model. But anyway, I've had this four-wheeler for a long time, and it sat around over there in the corner of the yard without running for about a year. And I just put it off and put it off and put it off. So the other day, I finally decided to drag it out and get it running. And I did. And then, as you can see, the plastics are all off of it. The tank is off, and the rear axle is out of it. It's leaned up over there. Please excuse the entire mess of garbage piled around out in the yard. I've been working. There's stuff crammed in, stored in the basement, and I've had to move stuff out and move stuff around because I don't have a garage, and so on and so forth. So, just excuse the brutal mess. This place looks like Sanford and Sons around here. But anyway, so I ordered a carburetor for this thing, and I ended up having to make a custom intake, which excuse the horrible booger welding job, but I made this intake the other day, and it actually works. The thing does start and run, so solved that problem. Went to put some brake shoes on it, and of course the brake drum was completely packed full of grease. Lovely. And that was why the brakes sucked. The shoes weren't even that worn out. So I've had to take the axle completely out so I can get some seals. I ordered a kit that has seals and bearings that I'm going to put in it. But the bearings actually don't feel or sound too bad. I think one of the biggest problems was that the grease was so old and worn out that it was practically liquefied, and it was just leaking out because the seals are grease seals, not oil seals. But anyway, I'm still going to replace the bearings and the seals before I slap all this crap back together and clean everything up, and I've got new brake shoes to go on it too. So yeah, this is just a prime example of one of those little things like, wow, get it running, put some brake shoes on it. That's it. That was several days ago, and now here's the state of the four-wheeler today. But even at that, I will start it up and let you guys hear it run. Hopefully, anyway. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to do this with one hand, but let's see. Ah, there we go. I filled up the float bowl, and that's all I've done. So yeah, it actually runs pretty decent, considering. Yes, I know it's making some sort of a weird noise. I don't even care at this point. Don't even care. So yeah, there we go. There's my perfectly good running, but not rideable 125 Suzuki Quadrunner. It's perfect.